Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to create a Mailchimp sign-up form for WordPress. To begin, make sure you have an active Mailchimp account and a WordPress website set up. You will also need your Mailchimp API key, which is crucial for connecting the two platforms. You can easily locate this key within your Mailchimp account settings, typically under the Extras menu, then selecting API keys. This key acts as a secure bridge, allowing your WordPress site to communicate with Mailchimp. Next, we need to connect your Mailchimp account to your WordPress site. The simplest way is by installing a dedicated plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for Mailchimp for WordPress or MC4WP. Install and activate your chosen plugin. Once activated, find its settings page, usually under a new menu item. Here, you will paste the Mailchimp API key you retrieved earlier, then save your changes to securely link your accounts. Now for the fun part, designing your sign-up form. Within your Mailchimp plugin settings in WordPress, you'll find a form builder. This is where you can customize every aspect of your form. Add essential fields like email address and name, and consider including additional fields if you need more specific subscriber data. You can also adjust the form's appearance, changing colors, fonts, and button styles to perfectly align with your website's branding. Aim for a clean, inviting design that encourages signups. Finally, it's time to publish and test your Mailchimp sign-up form. Once your design is complete, you can embed the form onto any WordPress page, post, or even in your sidebar. Most plugins provide a simple shortcode you can paste or a dedicated widget for easy placement. After embedding, it is absolutely crucial to thoroughly test your form. Submit a test email yourself to ensure that the data is correctly captured by Mailchimp and that any confirmation emails are sent as expected. This guarantees a smooth experience for your new subscribers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.